I have to hide it somewhere.
Huh? Oh, this is interesting.
The place should be safe.
What was that?
I must protect my secret from them.
What's going on here?
Susie, this is serious. What if they are already coming?
They who? And what are you trying to hide?
I can't tell ya.
Uh-huh. Then why don't you just use one of the safes that we've already made?
Our previous developments don't quite satisfy my current needs, Agent Sue.
Then I guess we can develop something new. Come on.
Woohoo. Hello, little agents. You're about to get a classified piece of information that's...
Cut it out, Sammy.
Hey!
Hi, guys. Today we're gonna help our Sammy make another safe from cardboard.
And this time it should be really safe, if you know what I mean.
That's why it's inspired by a high-profile Brawl Box. Do you mind telling me what you're planning to keep in there?
Actually, I do mind.
Sorry?
Let the mystery be there for just a little while longer.
All right, but you know that Brawl Box can contain only a limited amount of stuff, so...
I'll walk you through everything.
Okay, then. Guys, be careful not only when you're cutting these openings, but also when you're doing this. Try not to tear down the cardboard. Make this piece look neat.
Don't forget that the mechanism of my Brawl Box has to be durable, Sue.
I can't forget anything having you by my side, Sammy.
Very funny. Divide that piece into 2, please.
Consider it done. Ugh. Guys, this design will be a bit different from the game, though.
Now we need to take the bigger piece and make 3 even short sticks out of it.
Ah, I guess I see where this is going. There you go. We'll need 9 to put them through these openings. Am I right?
How did you know that? Did you read my mind?
Either that or I saw your drawings earlier. Give me my PowerPoints. And if I remember correctly, the other wooden pieces should be inserted in these openings from the side. This way, we'll have these cuts situated on a slightly different level.
Since you've seen everything, you're free to proceed without me. I have something very important to deal with.
Would you look at that busy slime? Did you find Brawler buddies? I wonder what he's talking about. Do you guys? Maybe we should make a Brawler club or something. Give a thumbs up if you're willing to become one of its founding members. And let's keep that a secret from Sammy.
Did someone just mention my name?
I was just telling our friends here that you're always full of craft ideas.
Did you mention that they are always brilliant?
Of course I did.
Hey.
So guys, this is what we have so far. Note that these wooden pieces end with some sort of little step.
That's essential for the mechanism to work properly. Stay tuned to find out more on that.
Oh, I can't remember the next step. Sammy? Sammy, do you hear me?
Oh, coming right up, Sue. Voila! There you go, my lady. That's everything that you're gonna need at this stage of the craft.
Ah, I got it. We need to build up some sort of a frame around all this. It reminds me of how you sometimes build a wall from pens and pencils when you suddenly get bored.
Only this time, don't forget to secure everything with the super glue, Susan. Ah!
Your wish is my command. Consider it as having your own Brawl Pass from me. And now we'll glue 4 little wooden pieces like this one in every corner of this unsophisticated construction.
We've already made a few safes in our previous episodes. You know where to find those.
But I guess it's the first time we've used so many wooden pieces. Come on, Sammy. Tell us what it is that you're gonna keep in this Brawl Box.
Let's just say that this is gonna be my most precious stuff.
That sounds too vague. Am I right, guys? We don't accept this answer, Sammy. Moreover, I'm starting to think that I've made a mistake when I agreed to help you with this craft.
Okay, I can tell you what definitely is not gonna be in it. Just please keep working, Susie.
Ooh, things are about to get interesting. 1, 2, 3, done.
Sue, I promise I won't put any of your stuff in there.
Sammy, you tricked me. How slick of you. No wonder I always end up finishing our crafts by myself. Now it's time to make some buttons. What? Sammy, did you do that?
Of course it was me. I was invisible like the legendary brawler, Leon, and crafty like, well, me.
Then I guess I can no longer hold a grudge toward you for not helping me.
And I'm not done helping you yet. It looks like I'm good with numbers.
You're right. Guys, what do you say? Does Sammy deserve extra thumbs ups? And great! Okay, let's wrap it up with the mechanism. This is going to be an indicator, which will show whether our safe is opened or closed.
Just don't forget to take all the measurements properly before you cut anything out, people.
And this piece is a kind of holder. You can ask an adult to help you make it. Now, if we glue it right here, this way, then we'll string the rubber band over here to create a resistance, so that afterward we can do this. The indicator moves left and right, changing its color from red to green. Cool, right?
The hard part is done now. We'll be back in a sec.
All right, Sammy, if you still don't want to tell me about your big secret that you're going to keep in this Brawl Box, at least tell me about its size, because it's high time to deal with the body of our craft.
Don't worry, Susie. I've already cut out all the cardboard pieces that we're gonna need.
By the way, this box security system is much better than in Mega Box from the game.
Sue, look! I'm like Leon! And you're too curious today. Besides, they told me not to tell you anything. Oopsie.
And who on earth are those mysterious they?
That's it. I'm not gonna say a word.
Oh, Silent Sam. This is gonna be interesting. This lid with a brawler squad on it has a very important function. You can slide it all the way down inside our craft and then pull it back when needed. It's cool, isn't it? What did you just say? Sorry, Sammy, I didn't get it. Try to enunciate properly.
Ouch! Don't forget about the second locking mechanism.
Oh, right. And what would I do without you? Guys, be very careful with the awl. Look out for your hands. And don't forget to make this part over here bendy.
Susie, look! I'm Captain Gear. Hop. Oops.
Don't use too big of a wooden stick piece, guys. And make sure that you've secured it well.
How do you like my brand new hat, huh? Can I have fashion as my star power?
I like it so much that I'm going to use it for our craft. Okay, guys, we're really close to the finish line here. Let's use craft magic to speed up the process. Whoosh and whoosh. Awesome.
Still, you're working too slowly today, Susie. Make way for a pro. Wow, so cool.
Well, I wasn't the one who wanted a safe with a complicated mechanism, right? Anyway, we just have a couple of steps left. This goes here. Did you happen to come up with any ideas for how to upgrade the design?
I'm ready when you are ready, Susie.
Guys, check this out. When our fake gear mechanism stands in the wrong position, nothing happens. But if we turn it to the right position, ta-da! That part was pretty simple, right? Now we'll just put the last wall in its place, like this, and call our great Slime the Decorator on stage. Show your star power, Sammy.
Sure, Sue. Bibbity, subscribity.
Wow, Sammy, you outdid yourself. This is amazing.
Thank you. Now, if you don't mind, I'd like to have my Brawl Box at my full disposal. Oh, but first, I'll let you check it out once more.
Oh, I wonder where Sammy is. And why did he leave his Brawl Box here? Oh, let's see. Here comes the password. Now this thingy. And...
Susan! How could you? Oh, it's all ruined. If you manage to get into my safe, then they will defo do that as well.
Who are you talking about?
Don't you remember? We were in the kitchen playing cards with unicorns, and then those guys in suits came in and... It was just a dream. Sue, how come I didn't realize that earlier?
You have to stop watching all that sci-fi, my friend. Guys, thanks for being with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. There's a lot of fun to be had. See you soon.
Bye-bye, everyone.